Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Loom video, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a call to action link into your Loom video? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a call to action button in your Loom video anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sending out Loom videos as an outreach, if your potential client is watching the Loom video, you can add a call to action button so that way they can click on it and maybe be routed to your booking calendar or some sort of a product purchase. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Loom dash. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I already pulled up my Loom account and this is the home screen. Now, in order to add a call to action link in a Loom video, you had to have already recorded a Loom video like I have. Once you've recorded your Loom video, you're going to go ahead and click into the Loom video. Okay, once you click into the Loom video, off to the right, you're going to see this menu and you want to click on edit. Once you click on edit, you're going to scroll down and look for this button here called add a link. It looks like a little chain link. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add a call to action link into your Loom video. First, you're going to go ahead and add the URL. So maybe I'm going to go ahead and route this into my calendar. Okay, once you added in your Calendly calendar link right here, or whatever link you want, click right here and you can change the text on the button. So maybe I'll say book appointment today here. So as you can see, it starts to run off. So the only thing that's showing up is book your appointment. So I may as well go ahead and just delete this part. Just book your appointment. That way they can click on the link right here. Here you can go ahead and change where you want the call to action link to show up. So by default, it's going to be on the top right. But let's say we want it to be on the bottom right. Here you can go ahead and change the button color. So maybe I'll just do like that blue looks pretty good. And here you can change the text color. I'll leave it at white. And then you can also change the style of the call to action. So by default, it's rounded, but maybe we want to do square, or maybe we want to do slightly rounded. Okay, and by default, this call to action, it's going to show up through the whole video. So if you want, you can have it show up at the end of the video only. For me, I'm going to have it show up through the whole video and then click on save. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my call to action link is here on the bottom of my Loom video. So whoever I send this Loom video, as they're watching it, they're going to see this and they can go ahead and click into my Calendly link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a call to action link into your Loom video, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.